How do you fix BidKing is crashing on Steam? First, you want to right click the game in your library, open up the properties, and then in the general tab, you want to add -dx11 to the launch options, and then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is completed, you can close Steam, and then you will need to make sure that you have the latest driver updates for your GPU. Whether you have the NVIDIA app or the AMD software, make sure to check for updates and get the latest ones. And then you will need to install the redistributables. You can search for redist and open up the Microsoft link. Now from this table here, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64 and install both of them. And once you're done, you will need to reboot your computer. And after the restart, you'll just need to open up Steam as admin, right click and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your Steam library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.